The Augusta Judicial Circuit may get a new Superior Court judge before the end of the year.
It's all thanks to a bipartisan Senate bill in the hopper in the General Assembly that would add a new judge's seat. WJBF News Channel 6's Kim Vickers is live at the Augusta Judicial Center this morning. So Kim, this would ease the high caseload of the 5 sitting judges.
Well, Mary, that's absolutely right. I spoke with Senator Harold Jones, one of the sponsors of Bill SB 5, that would allow for funding for Governor Brian Kemp to appoint a new Superior Court judge for Augusta this year. He says that the 5 sitting judges currently have a caseload of nearly 1,800.
Already approved. The need is there. It's just how we usually fund is we do 3. So that would mean pretty much next year we would be pretty much in line to receive the funding. That wouldn't be an issue. The problem is, of course, that we need the judge now.
Each year, Georgia funds 3 new judgeships where they're needed. Augusta's turn isn't until next year, but Senator Harold Jones and Republican Max Burns co-sponsored a bill asking for the funding this year.
We have 5 judges who are responsible right now by the judicial workload study of about 1,780 cases. That's their average. Also, though, even bigger than that is Augusta Judicial Circuit, the current circuit, as far as serious violent felonies are concerned, or serious felonies are concerned, which would be something like murder and your rape and your robbery, burglary, we're actually 3rd on that list.
Superior Court Judge Ashley Wright says that when Columbia County split from Richmond County, it impacted their caseload, creating a backlog.
When the circuit split, what we absorbed were all of the other felonies that were had previously been assigned to some of the other judges who had to go to Columbia County. And now our case counts have gone from where they were averaging in the 500s to the upper 600s. And part of that is due a little bit to the backlog. Part of it is due to the epidemic of violence that we're having in our community, unfortunately.
Judge Wright says the backlog created by the split and the pandemic has created problems for defendants as well.
And tried to get as many people as we could out without causing significant community safety. And part of that was to prevent the pandemic from roaring through the jail. And part of that was that we knew that waiting in jail for 2 or 3 years for your case to be heard when your sentence might not be that long just wasn't a good balance and was not appropriate.
Now, if the bill is passed, it will take effect on July 1st. Senator Jones says that he hopes a new judge will begin hearing cases by the fall. Live in Augusta, Kim Vickers, WJBF News Channel 6.